There are pros and cons when it comes to refinancing from a 30-year term to a 15-year term, and the outcomes might surprise you. Ideally, we want everybody to do a 15-year mortgage, but not everybody can afford it. What people don't understand a lot is that you can do a 30-year mortgage and make it into a 15. There's no prepayment penalty on most of our mortgages anymore. A 30-year fixed mortgage is not that far off from a 15-year on rate. So you can pay a little bit extra per month and have your loan paid off in 15, 16, 17 years. The good thing about doing a 30-year term and paying it off in 15 is it allows you to fall back to that 30-year payment. If something comes up, medical bills, you need a new roof, the AC broke, I can fall back to my 30-year payment and then catch up later. But the key is to be disciplined. You want to make the 15-year payment on a 30-year mortgage every month. And if you do fall back onto that 30-year payment, you want to catch yourself back up and get back on that 15-year term, because it does save you a lot in interest over the life of the loan.